Sir, there is another beautiful concept related to string buffer, string builder, method chaining. What is the concept name? Method chaining, sir. Sir, for most of the methods present inside string class, string buffer, string builder, the return types are same type only. Suppose if you consider string builder, sir, if I consider string builder class, do you know string buffer and the string builder, all methods are always same, all constructors are always same. Already I covered in the last session. Sir, string builder append method, if you consider, what is the return type of append method is the string builder only. Next, reverse method, if you consider, what is the return type of reverse method? String builder only. Next, insert method, if you consider, what is the return type? String builder only. Reverse method, okay, delete method, if you consider, what is the return types are? String builder only. Sir, for most of the methods present inside string buffer, string builder, the return types are always the same type. That's why after applying a method, now which thing will be written? String builder is going to be written, same type will be written. On that result, you can call another method. Yes, itself you can call another method. So which forms method chaining? Okay, what it means? Observe that, sir. Suppose I have string builder object is there. Assume that on this string builder I call m1 maybe, yeah, append or reverse or delete something like sb.m1. If I call m1 method, m1 method return type is same string builder only. That's why, sir, the return type is string builder. Again on that I want to call m2. On the return type of m2, again string builder. On the result, I am calling m3 method dot. Are you getting? This type of concept is nothing but method chaining. Are you getting? For most of the methods present in string buffer, string builder, return types are same type. After applying a method, on the result you can call another method. After applying a method, on the result you can call another method, which forms a method chaining concept. So in string buffer, string builder, method chaining concept is very, very common. You people should be aware, right? Okay, let me go for a small example, then you can get much clarity, right? Here, observe that. Here I am taking, let me take a string builder. Okay, string builder SB is equal to new string builder. Just I am creating an empty object. Just I am creating an empty string builder object. SB dot append of Durga, Durga, like this I am taking. Can you please tell SB dot append, if SB is the string builder, the return type is what? String builder only. On this again append method. On this again append method of solutions. Durga solutions, like. Sir, now the return type of append is again string builder only. Now I am taking reverse method. Now the return type of reverse method is string builder only. That's why on that I want to call insert method. Are you getting? I want to call insert method at 2, xyz, like this. What is the return type of insert method? What the return type of insert method? String builder only. On that again I want to call delete from 3 to 7, like this I am taking. Delete from 3 to 7, like dot. Sir, you can take 1 kilometer length method calls also, no problem at all. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Sir, in the method chaining, which method will be executed first? Which method will be executed first? Sir, left, first m1. After that on the result m2. After that on the result m3. So in method chaining, all method calls will be executed from left to right. Remember, all method calls will be executed from left to right. So first append, next reverse, next insert, next delete, like it's going to be executed. Now system.out.println SB I'm taking. Now the result by default you are going to get. Everyone can able to understand, right? So this is, sir, is it going to work or not? Let me show this one. Have a look once, sir. I'm going to take a small example. String builder. String builder SB is equal to new string builder, like this I'm taking, sir. With the string builder SB dot append of Durga, sir. Durga dot append of, okay, solutions Durga solutions dot append of reverse dot append of insert 2 comma xyz 2 comma xyz dot delete delete 3 comma 7, something like this, right? Okay, sir. SOP of SB what is the result now? What the result now? You can ask like this, right? Sir, now just take a bit very special care. Okay, first here just SB dot append of Durga, like this I'm taking, sir. Let me save this code. D colon Durga classes, D colon Durga classes I'm taking. Okay, D colon Durga classes in the test.java, like this I saved, sir. Okay, just only Durga is there. What is the answer we are going to get? Java C test.java Java test. What answer by default we are going to get? Durga perfectly it's going to work, no problem, right? Now on this dot append of solutions, like this I'm asking. Now Durga, now solutions also will be appended. What answer we are going to get, sir? Durga solutions. Perfect, Durga solutions. Now on this result of Durga solutions, I want to perform reverse operation, like this, right? Now happily this Durga solutions by default will be reversed. Have you observed, right? Durga solutions got reversed, right? Now dot insert of 2 comma xyz dot insert of 2 comma xyz, like this, right? Now observe that. Now observe this one. What answer by default you are going to get? Sir, from second index onwards xyz added or not? Yes, added. Now dot delete of 3 comma 7. So from third index to, sir, 7 minus 1 means third to 6 by default will be removed. Third index to sixth index will be removed, sir. 0 1 2 third 4 5 6, sir. 3 4 5 6 YZOI by default got removed, sir. Are you getting? So this is already removed. Like you can call any number of methods, no problem at all. This type of concept is called method chaining, which is the very common in the case of string buffer, string builder. Clear for all of it? So don't fail whenever you are seeing this type of lines. Sir, we never saw this type of code. Oh, it is invalid, compile error, runtime exception. No. Sir, it's a perfectly valid. First this method, on the result of this method, on the result of this method. All these method calls will be executed from left to right. That's why method chaining is possible in the case of string buffer, string builder. Even you are seeing this type of things, so don't worry, it is valid. Clear?